Today we will be creating the baddest bitches on TikTok. Nah, fuck that. We just creating a big strong bitch. I'm tired of creating bad hoe. I can't never create no bit that for me. Okay, I want a bit that about 6 inch weight. Rick Raw. He a big ass nigga. Anyway, TikTok keep taking my shit down. That shit be having me tight. 38. I want that. What is it? 30. 30 waist. You know I want that bit wide. No making hips. No, hip and waist, two different things. Hip, that bit gotta be thick. Inseam, 25. Exercise, I need a bit that can work. Work. What the? It's like.